Sweet and refreshing lemonade. Hello, friends. Today, we will make lemonade. We need lemons, water, sugar, and ice. First, we squeeze the lemons. We need the juice. We use 3 lemons. Next, we mix the lemon juice with water. We use 1 liter of water. Then, we add sugar. We mix until the sugar is dissolved. We taste it. If it is too sour, we add more sugar. Now, we add ice. Our lemonade is ready. We can drink it when it is hot outside. It is sweet, sour, and refreshing. Enjoy your cool lemonade.